Meaning of far gone.
Far gone.
Far gone.
Far gone.
Far gone. The phrase far gone is often used to describe a situation or person who has passed a point of no return. It suggests that the situation or person has become so extreme or irreversible that there is no hope for improvement. For example, if someone is described as being far gone in their addiction, it means they have reached a level where recovery is unlikely. Similarly, if a project is described as far gone, it means it has progressed so poorly that it cannot be salvaged. In essence, the phrase implies a state of irreparable damage or hopelessness.